Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the AWS. So today we are going to learn about how to create the access keys and the secret keys in AWS. So let's get started. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's see how we are going to create the access keys and the secret keys in AWS. So here we have to go with the security credentials. So my account, security credentials. Okay, so here you can see that the my security credentials is for the root users. You can create the if you have go with the IAM users, then you can also do that one. Okay, so here we have the SS keys. So create SS keys. So here we have create SS keys. Okay, so SS key and the secret keys are there. Now you can do, and here you can see the SS key, and here we have a secret SS key. So you can add it where you require the SS keys and the secret keys. Okay, so any doubt, any query in that, just let me know in the comment section. And next you have to do the done. I will first download the CSV and make it done. Okay, now I can use this key access ID or secret key to make the sending the SES or email notification to the AWS in the next video. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.